Hello everyone, this is Irfan, an international language instructor. Well, today I am in Aisha campus, Jorabad, and trying to talk with the students and gonna select some students who are a bit capable, and we will make them more perfect, inshallah, and speak in English. So I took interviews of some students. They are awesome. I believe the new generation for now, they are so much talented. All they need is guidance. Motivate them and they will give you results. And one thing is so much necessary for the English learners, that whatever comes in your mind, whatever comes in your mouth, just speak it out. Whether it's wrong or right, just speak it out. Once you be able to learn the English with mistakes, inshallah, within few months or with the passage of time, you will be able to speak perfect English without even mistakes. So never ever be afraid of any mistakes. So thank you very much for listening. Bye for now.